Yeah, this is just a quick video, preventive measure on how not to damage your HDMI port on your PS4. My grandson's HDMI port wasn't working, and I was contemplating replacing it myself, and I went on YouTube and watched various videos of replacement procedures. Some of them look kind of scary. One in particular where a fella claimed it was the right way to do it, yet it didn't show him removing it or installing it, just soldering the pins down, and he wasn't doing a very good job at that. And I kind of think the reason why he didn't show himself removing the port was because he probably damaged it and didn't want anybody to see it. But anyway, a preventative measure that you can take to not damage your port is to purchase one of these. And you could plug this into your PS4 and leave it there. That way, if you're constantly unplugging and plugging in your HDMI cable, which is what really damages your port, the repetitive plugging and unplugging it, it'll eliminate that problem, because you'll just be plugging into this all the time. And really, you're less able to damage this than your HDMI port, because the pins in here are all encased in plastic and can't really be pushed back. They could probably get bent, but if they do, so what? You can pull it out and put another one in. And like I say, with my grandsons, I was able to straighten out a couple of pins that were bent. And there were also a couple of pins that were pushed back slightly, but not enough to lose contact. So I straightened the two pins out, and I plugged this in, and I'm leaving it there. And his PS4 works like new. So I bought two of these for $3.50. That's cheap compared to what some of these guys are asking to repair your damaged ports. And a lot of times people don't really realize that they could probably fix the ports themselves without having to break into the machine, just by straightening the pins out like I did. But some of these guys will tell you that it's not repairable. Just trying to make a buck. Well, anyway, this is a preventative measure, and it works great, and it's cheap. Something to think about. Thanks a lot.